How to update Instagram account with new features. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device. Here, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and then tap on the Instagram option. Further, go ahead and tap on the update button if any new update is available. Make sure that you can also go ahead and turn on automatic updates for apps so future Instagram updates install automatically. And if you are trying to update your Instagram in order to access a few features from Instagram, but if you are still not being able to access the feature even after updating your Instagram, then it might be because of the account type or region. So check whether your account is personal, creator, or business, as sometimes new features are given to creators or business accounts first. And if you've recently changed region or moved, or your account type has been changed, then that might affect the feature rollout. So, this is how you can update Instagram account with new features. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.